So it's another red day recap for me. The ticket that I traded today was NAOV, the gapper in the morning, from the morning. I traded at the open. So my first entry was at 19 here, right? Was a move at 19. It was quite a chase, really. I really shouldn't have entered there. Really shouldn't have entered there. My risk level was like 15. Yeah, it was this line supposed to be support, but it cracked and I got out at 14, at 114. I re-enter again at 19, but got out at 16, and then it went lower. This right here should be where I should have entered around the 14 to 15 after the dip because it was a higher low. That was where I should have entered. Instead, I entered at 19, 98, so very close to 120. And then I got chopped at 118. My risk? Yeah, I got chopped at 118 after it moved to 122 and then came back down. It never actually reached the low of 110. It was a choppy play for me on this day. My third entry was 125, 124.5. If it wasn't for my previous trade, I would have gotten out at 135, the high, well, in the 130s. If it wasn't for my previous trade, I let my previous trade affected me in making decisions on executing my exit because I wanted to make back what I have lost in greed. Wanted to make a bit more. The stock was having resistance at like 130, 135. And so after a dip here, I decided to sell a fourth of my position at 130. And then I sold the rest at 124 because it was coming back down. Yeah, and then it re-spiked up to the 130s. And then another like a triple top to 135, and then it was dipping all day. Yeah, very quick move, really. It was sloppy trading. So overall loss was like $12. That was like 1% of everything that I have put in there, 1 to 2%. But still, it's $12. Red for the day. Yeah. And if you look at the at like 9:30, after 9 o'clock, it did have very nice entries, higher lows, 115, 120, 124. So basically went to 110s back to like the 130. So that's like a 20 cents a share move. Those opportunities present right there. Yeah, I think it might be better if I avoid the open and just trade within like the 15 minute 8:45 9 to 9 o'clock and then 9 o'clock to 9:30, so 9 to 10. It might have been better if I just focus on that time here, that time period, and not at the like direct open, because the open is like very fast, and I tend to have like a lot of FOMO and chase at that point. But yeah, it was sloppy trading for me on this day. Sloppy. So overall loss is $12. So after this trade, I stopped trading for like the entire day. I did come back in the afternoon. What is really annoying for me was this move I was expecting this move for in the morning, but it spiked in the afternoon instead. So yeah, it was trading flat all day, spike in the afternoon. But yeah, overall loss is $12. Sloppy trade today, undisciplined. So note yourself, watch the open, don't trade the open. Trade after 30 minutes or after an hour of the open because it'll probably give me more times to judge the directions of the market instead of just watching like a pre-market and using the pre-market to judge because pre-market has like low volumes. Well, at the open has like way more volume. So yeah, this stock traded like 200,000, no, 200 millions shares today. So yeah, this ticker overall lost $12. So note yourself, don't trade the open. And that'll be all.